Hello! We're on video 709. Let's fucking go. Let's do this. Okay, so down here in the PIMPSOB section within our loader core, you could say, right? It's the core loading logic that's going to take the 192 by 192 image and load it into the texture memory somewhere. If we go down here, all we've added is some air checking of inputs. So the input RGBA192 needs to be exactly equal to this static memory, and the output PIX2048 needs to be exactly equal to this static memory, and then the range of the hotel address needs to be 0 to 2 inclusive for both the X and Y axis. So why the fuck are we doing this? Why even allow it as a parameter? Well, it's because we want the code to be clear and we don't want side effects. So we're doing this right here for readability, not for flexibility. So we're doing this intentionally to take away the flexibility that we did not intend to have. Okay, next section. So this is the ucky open up kind of a load dialog box to get access to the file that we want to process. And we've added a whole bunch of sections. So if we can detect that the type of show open file picker, right, that this type is of type function, then we have that function. If we have the picker function, we're going to do what I would call Chrome specific code, but it's not really Chrome specific because it's specific to anything that has show open file picker. But I'm calling it Chrome specific because eventually we need this code to be able to be wrapped in Electron, and Electron uses a Chrome engine, the Chrome V8 engine. Okay, so otherwise, if we don't have a picker, we're going to use the kind of code that we've been using for Firefox to get a file picker. So we're going to use a different methodology to get a file picker. And if we end up in this what the fucking fuck section, then we really screwed up because this branch or this branch should have been selected. One of them should have been selected. And then here's what we did previously, and then we have like our footnotes down here and whatnot. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You are on the Advanced playlist, Kanji playlist 8 on Kanji Coder. If you want technical demos, go here to Weeb Coder. I'm literally filming this 3 times in a row. There are literally 3 video 709s. So pick whatever works for you. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder, and I am making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game engine. Like and subscribe.